everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my Fab Fit Fun Spring box. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have some furry sidekicks in the room with me, Loki the Westie and Dexter the Beagle. We sure hope you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So this is a seasonal subscription, and the value of it is about $300 based on your choices. The annual subscription price is $64.99 a box. If you buy it seasonally, so that means one box at a time, it's $79.99 a box. And I'll put my link down below. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. All right, so I had 6 different customizations and I added an item. So when you go through a customization and you pick your choice, you can sometimes add a second item if it's available, and then it'll just tell you the price. And I can tell you the most expensive is usually like $20. It's usually like as the customizations go, it gets cheaper, 20, 15, 10, that kind of thing, 7. They do offer some luxe items, so watch out for those. Those will be an add-on, so part of it will be covered and part of it is an add-on, but those are some fun. I think I shared those in one of my boxes, either 1 or 2 ago I shared. So let's dig in. First up, how about this? This is the Verb Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner for dry and frizzy hair. I have the frizzy hair part, so I'm excited to give this a try. It's valued at $22, and it says that it transforms dry, unmanageable hair. This daily mist instantly detangles, fights frizz, and softens strands with a blend of argan and babassu oils plus ceramides, providing crucial hydration for beautiful hair. So I can't wait to give that a try. You can understand why I picked it. I have frizzy hair, right? All right, next up. This one is by Laura Mercier. This is the Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I love this stuff. I actually use it now. So when I saw it, I thought I'm going to grab it. It is comes in Translucent Honey and Tone Up Rose. I got the rose. I'm just confirming that. Yep, I got the rose. And it says that this revolutionary talc-free setting powder delivers an instant, weightless, airbrushed effect, blurring pores and fine lines, infused with hyaluronic acid for hydration. It locks makeup in place for up to 16 hours for a flawless, effortless look. Gently roll a saturated velour puff across your skin. So I love this stuff. You can kind of see the powder in there. It is a little translucent. It just works. It just works. So happy they had that as an option. All right, next up, I requested the Living Proof PhD shampoo and conditioner bundle. So I always love this. This is the perfect hair day set. These are valued at $72 for both of these. The shampoo and conditioner duo is formulated with silicone hair tech, a breakthrough mimicry tech that feels like silicone but makes hair better with every wash. Engineered to gently cleanse while providing long-lasting hydration and shine for silkier hair. And this does get high ratings, so I wanted to give it a try. All right, there's still more. So next up, we have the Ole Henrik. This is called the Ole Henrik Banana Bright Vitamin CC Eye Stick. Came in 4 different selections. I got the guava, and it says that this creamy, fragrance-free, color-correcting stick instantly dismisses dark circles, whether from genetics or a late night. In 4 high-impact shades, it neutralizes blue-purple tones and glides on smoothly, blurring fine lines without creasing. It's the essential no-makeup staple for a well-rested finish. Perfect alone or layered under a concealer. I need this. I can't wait to give it a try. So I really like this one because it had the vitamin C, and I think that's why I picked it over the rest. All right, so next up, another Ole Henriksen item. This is the Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. Came in 3 different colors. I got the Lingonberry, I think it's called. Here's what it looks like. So yeah, I got the purpley one here. It says, achieve a fuller, high gloss pout instantly without needles. Skin supporting peptides provide immediate visible plumping, while cocoa butter blurs fine lines for filter-free close-ups, used to nourish, condition, and plump lips with a hint of color for a polished, expensive-looking finish. Let's see what this looks like. So it's just a little hint of color. That's really nice. It actually feels nice on, and it smells good. Okay, that one's fun. I have 2 more items. Next up, we have the Kosas Soul Glazer Lengthening and Lifting Peptide Mascara. How about this one? It says, achieve your ideal lashes with this dual action mascara. It delivers instant high impact length, while a powerful serum visibly boosts fullness in 6 to 8 weeks. The buildable clump-free formula is easy to apply. Wiggle from root to tip for amazing lift that looks natural. It's the ultimate low-maintenance, sensitive, eye-friendly upgrade for any look from dramatic to effortless. All right, I can't wait to try this as well. I'm always trying different mascaras. Let me know what your very favorite is. And my last item was an extra. I saw these and I just thought they'd be super nice for my kitchen. And they are a bowl set. What is it called? It's called the Golden Rabbit Prep Bowl Set with lids. There's 2 of them. How cute are these? I love the color, I think. It just goes with my kitchen. You can tell it goes with this couch. I like the teal colors. And then there's another one inside, a smaller one. How pretty are these? It's so cute. I love that they have the lids. Adorable, right? Loki's very interested in my bowls. He's got his head in here. So these are valued at $40. I think it was, you know, like $10 or $15 for me to add it. It says, upgrade your kitchen with these dreamy hand-swirled cobalt and sea glass bowls. They instantly bring a perfectly undone coastal vibe to your countertop. Ultimate multitaskers. They move seamlessly from rugged prep to dinner party centerpiece. Matching lids ensure that even your leftovers look curated. I love this. And that's everything. That's all the items in this one. What do you think? I love Fab Fit Fun. I think it's a fun subscription to try. I've gotten to try many beauty products that I still use, some that I'm glad I got to try them and then I don't want them anymore. So I do think it's a great value for the money. Let me know what came in your box because everyone picks something different. And let me know what you thought of this one. Can't wait to hear. Comment down below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype. And I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.